The best ways to get rid of headaches quickly and easily. Headaches are one of the most common and annoying health problems that affect millions of people every day. They can be caused by various factors, such as stress, lack of sleep, dehydration, noise, or certain foods. While some headaches may require medical attention, most of them can be treated at home with simple and natural remedies. In this video, we will share some of the best ways to get rid of headaches quickly and easily, without relying on pills or drugs. For more info, visit our website, royalists.com. 1. Drink plenty of water. One of the most common causes of headaches is dehydration, which occurs when your body loses more fluids than it takes in. Dehydration can affect your blood circulation, brain function, and mood, leading to headaches and fatigue. To prevent or treat dehydration headaches, you should drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you are exposed to hot weather, exercise, or alcohol. A good rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you sweat a lot. You can also add some lemon juice, cucumber slices, or mint leaves to your water for extra flavor and hydration. 2. Apply a cold or hot compress. Another effective way to get rid of headaches is to apply a cold or hot compress to your forehead, temples, or neck. A cold compress can help reduce inflammation and numb the pain, while a hot compress can help relax tense muscles and improve blood flow. You can use a frozen gel pack, a bag of ice, a wet towel for a cold compress, a heating pad, a hot water bottle, or a warm towel for a hot compress. Alternatively, you can alternate between cold and hot compresses for maximum relief. Apply the compress for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, several times a day. 3. Massage your head and neck. Massaging your head and neck can also help ease headache pain by stimulating blood circulation and releasing tension in your muscles. You can use your fingers, a massage tool, or a tennis ball to gently rub your forehead, temples, scalp, and neck in circular motions. You can also apply some essential oils, such as lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus, to enhance the effects of the massage. Massage your head and neck for 10 to 20 minutes whenever you feel a headache coming on. 4. Try some acupressure points. Acupressure is an ancient technique that involves applying pressure to specific points on your body to balance your energy flow and relieve pain. Several acupressure points are known to help with headaches, such as the Li4 point. This point is located between your thumb and index finger on the back of your hand. Press firmly on this point for about a minute with your opposite thumb and index finger. The GB20 point. This point is located at the base of your skull on both sides of your spine. Use your thumbs to press firmly on these points for about a minute. The LV3 point. This point is located on the top of your foot between your big toe and second toe. Use your thumb to press firmly on this point for about a minute. You can repeat these acupressure points as often as needed until you feel relief. 5. Breathe deeply and relax. Sometimes, headaches are caused or worsened by stress and anxiety, which can trigger muscle tension and inflammation in your body. You should practice some deep breathing and relaxation techniques to reduce stress and calm your mind. For example, take slow and deep breaths through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Focus on your breathing and let go of any negative thoughts or emotions. Listen to some soothing music or sounds, such as classical music, nature sounds, or white noise. Do some gentle stretches or yoga pose to loosen up your muscles and improve your posture. Meditate for a few minutes to clear your mind and increase your awareness. These techniques can help you relax your body and mind and ease headache pain. Conclusion. Headaches are common but unpleasant health problems that can interfere with your daily activities and quality of life. However, you don't have to suffer from them for long or rely on medication to treat them. The best ways to get rid of headaches quickly and easily. By following these simple and natural best ways to get rid of headaches quickly and easily, you can enjoy a pain-free and happy day. Go to the website royalists.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, share, comments.